2010 Chevy Silverado, busted handle. What you'll need is Torx T20x4. Remove the 4 Torx screws. Next, you pull this off, which doesn't come off very easy, but it does come off. Undo these 2 bolts there and just replace it with your new latch. And this latch I got from Amazon. You can buy 2 of them for, I think it was $18 Canadian. And yeah, so you get another one like this. The only difference that I could see from the factory one is these ones are a lot smoother here. They don't have the texture, but it doesn't really matter because it's actually hidden underneath this anyway. So there you go. Then just put everything back together how it was and it's good to go.